good? This your boy, Himmy John. You already know who it is. Back for this Mopar Monday. So got the first headlight out on my dad's work truck. Got the new headlights in. Let's see. So it won't be that one. It'll be this side. All you're gonna need for these is a 10mm. It'll come right on out. So I'm gonna get this one put in, and we'll do a side-by-side comparison, and then we'll knock the other one out the way. All right, holler back at you in a minute. Okay, so we at the halfway mark. Here's the old one on the passenger side. Here's our brand new one. It's like a little gap in between here with these aftermarket ones. Even though it's not really that flush on the side, I don't really care for that. But it definitely looks better, just keeping it real, than the old one. So I'm gonna get this other one put on the passenger side. I'll be hollering back at you to wrap this video up. Alright, and I'm back. So I did manage to get this headlight adjusted. It's two little plastic pieces up in here. It's not as flush as I would like, but hey, for aftermarket headlights, they don't look bad at all. So like I said, you just need 10mm socket for these as well, but they definitely look a lot better than the old ones. Go over here and give you one more shot. Anyway, this your boy Himmy John. Hope you have a safe, enjoyable start to your week. Take care of your family, take care of yourself. Holla at your boy. Peace.